Sawasdee Krap! Today we are making one of the most iconic desserts from Thailand, mango sticky rice or Khao Niew Mamuang. It's creamy, sweet, a little salty, and perfectly balanced with fresh sweet ripe mango. We'll show you step by step how to make quality mango sticky rice, just like your favorite local Thai restaurant. Let's get started. Here's what you need. For the mango sticky rice, 2 cups of glutinous sweet rice or sticky rice, 1¼ cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup white sugar, 1 ripe mango, 1 pandan leaf. As for coconut sauce for topping, 3/4 cup coconut milk, half teaspoon salt, 1½ tablespoon white sugar, 1 pandan leaf. For garnish, toasted mung beans or toasted sesame seed as optional. One important note, please make sure you're using the right mango. Look for mango that are ripe and slightly soft. Sweetness is key for this recipe. If you can find it, Thai mango Nam Dok Mai is the best for this recipe. Manila mango is also a good alternative. Also, these mango taste the best during peak season in spring and summer. To give that authentic or aromatic, we will be using these pandan leaves as a key ingredients. I was able to find this in a frozen section from an Asian grocery store, but you can also use pandan extract if you can't find them. First step, let's prep the sticky rice. Start by rinsing 2 cups of sticky rice with water. Just a couple times should be enough. Then soak the sticky rice in water for overnight or at least 4 hours. This step is really important. You cannot cook the perfect sticky rice without soaking it. Also, you don't need to put it in your refrigerator. You can just leave the rice outside. Now, we are going to be making the coconut sauce for our sticky rice. In a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of white sugar, 1¼ cup of coconut milk, then mix everything together nicely until the sugar dissolves and set aside. A small amount of salt might seem unusual in the dessert, but it's essential. It balances the sweetness and makes the coconut flavor richer. We will be using this coconut sauce later once we finish steaming the sticky rice. As for today, we will be cooking the sticky rice using a steamer. There are many methods of cooking the sticky rice, but we find that using a steamer to be the easiest method to cook. First, completely drain the sticky rice and you will need to find a white thin cloth to hold the rice if you are using a steamer to cook. Then, you would want to tie a pandan leaf into a knot and place it in the center of the steamer. This is what gives the aromatic to sticky rice. The smell is not super strong, but you can definitely smell the goodness. Then spread the sticky rice evenly around the pandan leaf in the steamer. With this amount of rice, the total steam time should be about 20 minutes until fully cooked. However, on the 10 minutes mark, be sure to flip the sticky rice so it cooks evenly. You can also turn off the heat to flip the sticky rice if it gets too hot. Once the sticky rice is done, transfer it to a large bowl quickly while it is still hot. Pour 1/3 of the coconut sauce over it. Gently mix the bowl thoroughly with a large spoon. Try not to use any force as that will break the rice grain and we won't have a nice looking sticky rice. Add the remaining coconut sauce into the bowl. Lastly, gently combine together and cover it with a lid or a plastic wrap. Then let it rest for about 30 minutes so the rice absorb all that coconut sauce. When the 30 minutes is up, gently stir the sticky rice again to make sure that the coconut sauce covers the sticky rice entirely. And let it rest for another 30 minutes. It's time to make the coconut sauce for topping. This is totally optional but highly recommended. In a pot, add 1 pandan leaf knot, 3/4 cup of coconut milk, 1.5 tablespoon of white sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Over medium heat, stir and cook just until simmering for about 1 minute. Do not let it boil to prevent the coconut milk from separating the fat. If you like a thicker coconut sauce on top, mix a small amount of cornstarch with water and add it to the coconut sauce. Slice your mango just before serving so it won't get darkened. To serve, spoon the sticky rice onto a plate, arrange fresh mango slices on the side, and drizzle with extra coconut sauce on top. You can also add toasted mung bean or toasted sesame seed for topping as optional if you want to get some crunchiness. And that's it. Thai mango sticky rice, creamy, fragrant, and perfectly sweet. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Thai dishes. Drop a comment below what you'd like to see for my next recipe. Thank you for watching and enjoy!